These red lentils fritters, popularly known as Masoor Dal Pakoda, is in India perfect tea time snacks. It is crispy outside and soft and spicy inside. What I love most is Masoor Dal Pakoda recipe can be made with less ingredients and less time it requires. Hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's begin today crispy delicious Masoor Dal Pakoda with chai. And the ingredients are stem of coriander leaves, garlic cloves, ginger mango, tomato chopped, green chili chopped. With that, chaat masala and salt, onion chopped, roasted besan, corn flour, and our lovely soaked masoor dal. Now let's begin the recipe. Before that, you need to soak the masoor dal for 1 hour. Now let's start. Take this soaked masoor dal half cup, place them into a mixer grinder. Now into it add 4 to 5 garlic pod and 2 to 3 slices of ginger mango. If you don't have ginger mango, use normal ginger. Now make a coarsely paste. No need to make fine paste. After that, place them in a bowl or a mixing plate. Now, after placing all the paste onto a mixing plate, then add the ingredients. Add 2 medium-sized green chili chopped, 1 tomato chopped, 1 onion chopped. With that, 2 to 3 stems of coriander leaves chopped. Now add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of chaat masala. Then for binding, add 1 tablespoon of roasted chana powder and 1 teaspoon of corn flour for the crispiness of this pakora. Next, mix everything well with your hand. After mixing the masoor dal paste and the ingredients together in the bowl, keep the bowl aside. On the other side, now let us make the pakora. For that, heat a pan, then add 3 tablespoons of refined oil, and once the oil heat up, then slowly drop in our masoor dal pakora one by one. Though don't overcrowd the pan or it will stick with each other and you will not get a crispy pakora. After that, cook the pakoras in a high flame for 1 minute. Then switch the flame to low. Flip the pakoras and fry it for another 3 to 4 minutes until the pakoras are super crispy from all the sides. So what do you think? We all love pakoras or fritters, don't we? They are crispy, spicy and perfect for our sudden hunger pang with. The best thing about pakoras is that we can add any filling in the mix and change the ingredients as per our choice, and they will still taste mouth-watering and delicious. Then finally, take out the fried masoor dal pakora in a serving plate. Serve them hot and crispy pakora with green chutney or sauce of your choice, and enjoy with your friends and have a great adda with all your friends and family with a cup of hot tea. And if you think today's recipe is worth it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you again with another new episode of Cooking Story. Till then, bye-bye.